Debt isn't just numbers on a piece of paper. It's a thief. It steals your time, your freedom, and your financial future. But here's the thing: you can take back control. Let's see how. Person looking overwhelmed with bills and statements on the table. Looking frustrated. The debt snowball method. Encouraging tone. One strategy to pay off debt fast is the debt snowball method. Here's how it works. Animation or visual of a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining speed. Start with your smallest debt. Pay it off first, while making minimum payments on your larger debts. Once the smallest debt is gone, move to the next one, and so on. Each debt you eliminate gives you momentum, just like a snowball gaining speed. Person paying off bills one by one, marking them as paid on a checklist. The debt avalanche method. Casual tone. Another powerful method is the debt avalanche. Instead of paying off the smallest debt, you focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first. Visuals of different debts with their interest rates clearly shown. This will save you money in the long run because you're tackling the most expensive debts first. Once the highest interest debt is gone, move to the next one. Person highlighting high interest rates and working on prioritizing payments. Cutting expenses, boosting income. Motivational tone. Now, let's talk about how to free up money to pay off this debt. Person reviewing a budget, cutting unnecessary subscriptions, meal prepping, etc. Start by cutting out the small, unnecessary expenses. Cancel those subscriptions you don't use, eat out less, and maybe even look for cheaper alternatives to things you regularly buy. Person finding a part-time job or freelance work online. On top of cutting back, boost your income. Freelancing, taking on a side gig, or selling items you no longer need can generate extra cash. Use that extra money to knock out your debt faster. The power of budgeting. Helpful tone. One of the most powerful tools to pay off debt fast is creating and sticking to a budget. Person setting up a budget using an app. Writing down goals. Use the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% straight to savings or debt repayment. This simple rule helps you stay on track. Person sticking to a budget, using a budgeting app. Building passive income for early retirement. Excited tone. Now, let's talk about how to make retirement a reality sooner than you think. The secret: passive income. Person setting up rental properties, investing in stocks, or starting an online business. Invest in assets that earn money while you sleep. Real estate, dividend-paying stocks, or building an online business are great ways to generate passive income. The more you can make without trading time for money, the faster you can retire. The 4% rule. How much do you need to retire? Voiceover, informative tone. So, how much money do you need to retire early? This is where the 4% rule comes into play. Person calculating their savings and retirement goals on a calculator. The 4% rule is simple. You can withdraw 4% of your savings each year in retirement without running out of money. So, if you want to live on $40,000 a year, you need to have $1 million saved up. Person breaking down how to reach their retirement savings goal. Avoiding common pitfalls. Warning tone. While you're on this journey, there are a few traps you need to avoid. Person overspending, making impulse buys, or accumulating more credit card debt. Don't fall for lifestyle inflation. Just because you get a raise or pay off a debt, doesn't mean you should increase your spending. Stay disciplined. Person resisting the urge to buy something impulsively. Building wealth for the long term. Inspiring tone. Remember, getting out of debt is just the beginning. Building wealth for the long term is key to true financial freedom. Person diversifying their investments into stocks, bonds, and real estate. Start investing early and consistently. The earlier you begin, the sooner your wealth will start working for you. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or even starting your own business, so investing is the key to building long-term wealth. Recap. Final words. Motivational tone. So, to recap, pay off debt using the snowball or avalanche method. Cut unnecessary expenses, increase your income, stick to a budget, and build passive income for your early retirement. You can do this. It's all about strategy and discipline. Person relaxing on a beach, enjoying financial freedom. Confident, financial freedom is possible, and the road to early retirement is closer than you think. Stick to the plan, stay disciplined, and you'll get there. Closing message. Text on screen. Thanks for watching. For more tips on achieving financial freedom, make sure to subscribe. Let's build the life you deserve. End scene. Subscribe button. Social media links.